Are you trying to create a Discord bot that allows users to vote only once a week? It can be tricky, especially when your weeks start on Friday and end on Thursday. But don't worry, you're in the right place. Today, we will tackle how to check if two moments are from the same week using Moment.js. I totally understand how frustrating it can be when you want to implement a feature, but the logic just doesn't seem to fit your unique week structure. You're not alone in this. Many developers face similar challenges when working with date and time. Let's dive into the specific question at hand. One user asked how to ensure that their Discord bot allows voting only once a week, considering that their weeks start on Friday and end on Thursday. This is a unique requirement that needs careful handling. To understand the issue better, we need to consider how Moment.js handles weeks. By default, Moment.js starts the week on Sunday, so we need to adjust our logic to account for the custom week structure that starts on Friday. And stick around. At the end of this video, I will share a simplified version of the code that can make your life easier. You won't want to miss it. To check if two moments are from the same week, starting on Friday, the user should first determine the current week and the week of the last vote. This can be done using the Moment.js library. Next, the user needs to account for the specific day of the week. Since the week starts on Friday, they should check if the last vote occurred before Friday of the current week. The user should then implement a conditional statement to determine if the last vote was cast in the same week or in the previous week, considering the special Friday to Thursday week structure. Finally, the user should return false if the conditions are not met, allowing the user to vote again if it's a new week. Fun fact, did you know that the concept of weeks has been around for thousands of years? Ancient civilizations used different methods to track time, but the 7-day week is now a global standard. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach to checking if two moments are from the same week is presented here. This user suggests creating a function called isSameWeek. It takes two dates and an offset as parameters. The function calculates the start of the week for each date based on the provided offset and checks if both dates share the same start of the week. Let's move forward and look at another answer. An alternative approach suggests customizing the Moment.js locale to set Friday as the first day of the week. You can do this using the update locale method. After that, you can use your original code snippet to check if two moments are in the same week. Additionally, the user recommends using the isSame method with week as a parameter for a more straightforward solution. This checks if two moments fall within the same week based on your customized settings. Let's move forward and look at another answer. An alternative approach suggested by another user involves using the ISO-week functionality in Moment.js. You can set the start of the week to a specific day, like Monday or Sunday, using the ISO-weekday method. This allows you to check if two moments fall within the same week of the year more easily. Here's a simplified version of your function that checks if two moments are in the same week, considering your unique week structure. This should help streamline your code and make it easier to read. And there you have it. With this approach, your Discord bot can now accurately handle voting once a week based on your custom week structure. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more coding tips and tricks.